Hey there, world. Welcome back to the lab. Today, we're going to unravel a question that pops up all the time. What exactly is a microcontroller? And how do boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Hummingbird, and NVIDIA Jetson fit into the picture? Let's dive in. A microcontroller is basically a tiny computer on a single chip. Imagine your laptop shrunk down to just the essentials: a processor, some memory, and input and output pins to connect to sensors, motors, and other electronics. Microcontrollers are designed to do specific tasks, like reading the temperature, turning on a fan, controlling a robot arm, or making your coffee machine brew at 5 a.m. sharp. Alright, let's start with the Arduino, because there isn't just any one Arduino board. There are many, each with their own strengths, and here are 4 of the most popular ones. So let's start with the Arduino Uno, the classic. The Uno uses the Atmega 328 chip. It's simple, reliable, and has 14 digital pins and 6 analog inputs. This is perfect for beginners, whether you're blinking LEDs, reading sensors, or controlling motors. All your beginner projects start here. Now, if you need something with more power and more connections, that's where the Mega shines. It uses the Atmega 2560 and gives you a total of 54 digital pins and 16 analog inputs. This is ideal for projects with lots of sensors, whether big robots or anything complex. It's like the Uno's big sibling with extra muscle. Now for something smaller, the Micro. It uses the Atmega 32U4, which means it can act like a USB device. It can pretend to be a keyboard, a mouse, or a joystick when plugged into a computer. It's great for wearable tech, human-computer interaction, or compact projects. The Pro Mini is even tinier. There's no USB port on board, so you'll need an external adapter to program it. This thing can run at 3.3 volts or 5 volts, and it's super low power. This is perfect for lightweight, battery-powered projects like drones or remote sensors. So in short, the Uno is beginner-friendly and classic. The Mega has lots of pins, specializes in big projects. The Micro is small and can act like a USB device, or the Pro Mini is ultra compact and low power for portable builds. That's why Arduino is so versatile. There's a board for almost every project idea. Next is the Raspberry Pi. Unlike Arduino, the Pi isn't just a microcontroller. It's a full-fledged single-board computer. It runs a Linux operating system. You can browse the web, write Python scripts, or even play Minecraft on it. It's a little slower to react than a microcontroller, but way more powerful for multitasking and networking. So while Arduino is great at controlling hardware directly, the Pi is your go-to for projects that need an operating system, like home servers, AI experiments, or streaming video. Now let's look at the Hummingbird. It's kind of like a Raspberry Pi on steroids. It also runs Linux-based operating systems. It offers faster processors, more RAM, and sometimes better connectivity. It's used more in industrial and commercial projects where you need more horsepower than the Pi. If the Raspberry Pi is like your friendly neighborhood tinkerer, then the Hummingbird is the pro contractor with a big toolbox. Now, let's talk about the NVIDIA Jetson family, starting with the Jetson Nano. The Jetson Nano is the entry-level board in NVIDIA's lineup. It's small, affordable, and has a GPU designed for lightweight AI tasks. It's perfect for hobbyists or students experimenting with computer vision, robotics, or edge AI. Think of it like a bicycle. Nimble, great for short AI trips, and easy to learn on. Now compare that with the Jetson Orin AGX. This thing is a beast. It's built for industrial grade AI, robotics, and autonomous machines. This thing packs up to 275 trillion operations per second of AI performance, compared to the Nano's 0.5 trillion operations per second. This comes with way more RAM, higher CPU and GPU performance, and advanced I/O options. Basically, the Orin AGX isn't for weekend projects. It's for full-on robots, self-driving vehicles, and advanced AI edge computing. So here's the quick breakdown. Jetson Nano, affordable, beginner-friendly, and great for small AI projects. Jetson Orin AGX, high-end, industrial powerhouse, built for real-world robotics and AI at scale. It's kind of like comparing a go-kart to a Formula One race car. Both have wheels, but they're made for totally different tracks. So let's wrap it up. The Arduino is simple, real-time control of hardware. The Raspberry Pi is an affordable mini-computer for general projects. The Hummingbird has more power and flexibility than the Raspberry Pi for advanced uses. The Jetson Nano is an entry-level AI board, great for learning, and the Jetson Orin AGX is an industrial-grade AI supercomputer for robotics and edge AI. Each one shines in its own area, and choosing the right one depends on your project. Now you know the difference between microcontrollers and single-board computers, and you've met some of the most popular boards out there. Which one would you use for your next project? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating the future. See you next time.